In this video, we will compare Firebase versus Supabase. Firebase is a popular platform for building and managing mobile and web applications, offering a comprehensive suite of tools ranging from real-time databases to authentication and analytics. Its ease of integration and powerful back-end services make it a very attractive choice for developers, especially for rapid prototype and small to medium-sized projects. Featuring like Firestore, Firebase Authentication and Firebase Cloud Messaging provide seamless solutions for common app development needs. However, with Firebase can be incredibly inconvenient. It does have limitations. For larger scale projects or applications with complex backend requirements, Firebase can become very costly, as its pricing structure is based off usage. Additionally, as a fully managed platform, developers have limited control over certain aspects of their infrastructure. Overall, Firebase is a fantastic option for smaller projects and quicker development. Another notable aspect of Firebase is its real-time capabilities, particularly with Firebase Real-Time Database. This can make it a standout choice from applications requiring instant data syncing across users. Whether it's a chat app, live updates or collaborative features, Firebase handles these use cases very smoothly. Its integration with Google Cloud Services also offers another seamless experience for many developers already within the Google ecosystem. However, one of the downsides is the learning curve. It can be very steep for many beginners, especially when navigating Firebase's array of services and understanding the best practices for structuring data. Moreover, some users have reported that Firebase documentation can occasionally be overwhelming, making it challenging to find clear solutions for specific issues. Despite these hurdles, Firebase remains a powerful tool for many developers, an all-in-one back-end platform. Supabase is often praised upon its open source alternative to Firebase, offering a range of powerful back-end features such as real-time databases, authentication, storage, and all-around database. One of its biggest advantages is its strong relation database foundation, which allows for more complex queries and data relationships than Firebase. Developers appreciate the simplicity and getting started with Supabase, as it provides an easy-to-use interface for managing databases and integrating well with other web technologies. However, while Supabase offers a great scalability and flexibility, some users have noted that it still could be immature compared to more established platforms, with the occasional bugs or incomplete features. Additionally, while its free tier is generous, as with any platform, costs can rise quickly as the project scales larger and larger. Supabase's open source nature has huge drawbacks for developers who prioritize transparency and control. Since it's built on top of certain developer systems, developers can leverage its powerful features such as custom SQL queries, full-text search and advanced indexing. These can all provide greater flexibility and solutions. Additionally, Supabase provides a rich extension and integration, making it very versatile for users who choose a different case. However, despite these strengths, Supabase ecosystem is not mature as Firebase, meaning some features may not be as polished or reliable, particularly when scaling up to a large-scale applications. The community around Supabase is growing, but it needs a more relatively small community compared to the Firebase alternative, which can make it somewhat harder to find solutions to unique problems. Still, for developers who value open source solutions and need more control over their infrastructure, Supabase provides a compelling, developer-friendly option that has potential for growth and powerful tool. Overall, Supabase is a solid choice for many developers.